In this video, I'll show you how to fix a HP 63 or 63XL ink cartridge if it's dried up or clogged, since you probably didn't use it for a few weeks. This applies to the black or the color version of the cartridge. And by the way, if you wish to get a new cartridge, I've put some links down below in the description. Alright, to do this, you'll need stuff that you already have. This is the good news. You'll need a plate or a pan that you're gonna fill it with tap water. The water here must be warm, okay? So put the warmest temperature on your, faucet, and you'll need about, I would say, a centimeter deep of water. You don't need to pour a lot, okay? Once you have this, you also need a paper towel, the one you use in your kitchen. And you'll also need some cotton swabs. Great, so let's start. You're gonna take the cotton swab and you're gonna dip it in the warm water. Then remove the excess water that is on the swab. Take your cartridge in the other hand. And you're gonna rub the printhead. The printhead is at the opposite side where the color top is with the label, okay? So this is the printhead. And you're gonna rub it just to dislodge any dried ink. Okay, once you're done, you can take the dry side. Okay, now you're gonna take your cartridge and you're gonna dip it in the water, okay? Like so. Since it's not deep, the water should arrive at, I would say right here, about a centimeters. This part should not get in the water. This should be in the water. Okay, and you're gonna let it sit like this for about 2 minutes. If you're more patient, you can let it sit for 5-10 minutes. It's your choice. Once you're done, you're gonna take it out. Take your paper towel and you're gonna dab it. By dabbing, I mean just pressing the cartridge on the paper just to dry it, okay? And it's normal that the color will leak like so, okay? Perfect. After dabbing it 10-20 times, you should be fine. Just make sure that everything is dried. You see there is still some water here. Okay, dry everything. The contacts too, they should not be with water on them. Perfect. Now you can insert it back and try your cartridge. If you still have problems, what I suggest you to do is to dip it in the water again, but this time for at least an hour or two. This means that the ink is really dry and it will take more than just a few minutes to make it work again. So let it sit an hour, 2 hours max, and then repeat. Take it out and start dabbing and just drying the cartridge. And don't be afraid to press the cartridge against the paper towel, okay? And hopefully this time it will work. If you have other tricks on how to make a dry cartridge work, please let me know in the comments below. If not, I always appreciate if you can leave a like or subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.